This is our SHRTH free Forex lesson. So today we understand about AMD, how to trade AMD. Accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. So without time waste, we start now. This is our HR chart. Look here and understand market first. Remember first is understand, and then with some tips. Understand you about with structure. So understand here market first make here high. Higher high first high breakout. Or we can say first resistance breakout. Here trend line are so breakout. This is our first drop base drop supply area. And this is our really base really demand zone. And if we look here when supply area breakout. So our demand is valid and this is our low area. And if we look left side here we see really base really, and this same market respect this really base. Really and make it again drop base. Drop supply breakout and make it here really. Base really again and high breakout when high breakout. So our this demand zone is valid. So now here understand this is our bullish engulfing. We mark bullish engulfing. But look here now. So we have this place to this place our demand area. Remember, when market have small demand area, then market. Now we'll do manipulation, but when market have 50 pips, 16 pips, 100 pips, so then market will do manipulation with AMD. So now look here. Market first made here accumulation and first supply. Draw straw breakout with closing or with spike, but look up. This move market high to low and again low breakdown. This move is we say the manipulation, and this move can retest also this area here. So now look here when market first supply breakout. But if we look downside, so we have 50 pips, 70 pips downside. So then we don't take entry from here. And our stop loss will not be caused if we set stop loss here market will be make manipulation. And now stop loss hit and go up. So we will wait here, so this is our compilation. And this is our manipulation as our simple strategy. Market will make her high, higher, high. Low, low, low QM. So QM is AM. They look we will wait now. QM area. When market first supply breakout, then we take entry buy from here an hour. TP will be first supply area, and this is our first supply area. So this is our accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. But we need confirmation from left side. Now we look other chart, but we understand your AMD. Will not work single way, but AMD will be work. When we check left side confirmation with SNR, SND demand area supply area QM, then AMD method will be work single AM. the method will be not work. Now we understand some structures. Now look. Left side really base, really. And this is our resistance area. And this is our support area. And this is our high, and this is our higher high. So this demand area confirmation confirmed. Because we see here high, higher high. So this is drop base drop. And this is really base, really. And this is high, higher, high, low. Low, low QM, we mark QM. So look. This is a major QM demand area with SNR SND. Market go down and maybe in small time frame. Supply breakout. But why we don't take entry from this point? Because there are in left side no supply demand. No order block area, but when market breakdown. Here we see left side demand area of QM. SNR, SND. So this is our accumulation and this is our manipulation. We marked this left shoulder and this is right shoulder. When market breakout first high. So this is our.
Hello friends, how are you? These are all the subscriptions from our VIP, Telegram Gold, FX signals, and there are different types of discounts from our team so you can take advantage of them and join any of our subscription banks.
So when market retest, accumulation low and manipulation breakout high. So we take entry from here and this. This is our distribution. So AMD will be work when we left side look. Major area, demand area. SNR area, SND area. QM area otherwise. AMD method will be not work. Now we check other chart. Look this chart, GB, PA, DHR. Look here resistance support. Support rejections drop base. Drop supply area if we convert in line chart. This is our support resistance SNR area. Market breakdown so many supports and make here. Drop base drop supply. Supply wise supply here's confirmed. Because so many supports and main low breakdown. So our supply drop base drop confirmed. Why market no go up? Because market already retested and made here. Support resistance area, so now this is our drop base. Drop supply area confirmed. Look here. Same high higher. High low, lower low QM. We mark this as support resistance. SNR area. We can work in line chart. Look we can so this is our accumulation. Market have different types of method. We understand you step by step. Because you understand directly. AMD method will be not work. AMD method will be worked when we see left side confirmation. Look here, this is our accumulation. So this is our high higher, high low, lower low QM. And when market reach in drop is drop supply area. There we can take entry from here. So, and our stop loss will be above of this resistance high. SO when market breakdown, same accumulation. High and manipulation low. We mark this when market breakdown. This and closing low, so we take entry sell from here. And our sell limit will be from here. So we take entry sell again from here. Because here we see resistance support, SNR area, and drop base drop supply area. But we need confirmation from this supply. Look, this is accumulation, manipulation and distribution, and market go down. Now we check all the chart. This is our Euro CADH chart. Look left side and confirm our method will be work or not. There is support and resistance area. Look line chart, look. Support, resistance, resistance, market breakout with rally base rally. We marked our bullish, engulfing demand zone with a rally base rally. If we look here, resistance support. Why this area is confirmed? Because market made here higher high. Main high breakout, and again we look here really base. Really with bullish engulfing resistance support, SNR area. Look here, market again make higher high. And if we see method in SMC, liquidity available in this area. This demand's already retested 3 times. Retest this demand also retest. Market make here higher high and go down. When go down again, market respect this demand area but not high breakout. So this is our accumulation area perfectly. We mark this bullish engulfing demand zone. So market made here manipulation. Look, manipulation here. Now understand this point. We don't take entry from here, look here. First, bearish candle breakout, and first left shoulder breakout, and market go up. We are ready in 2 structures. Understand, we take entry when market reached accumulation low, manipulation high. We mark and we take entry from here. Look line chart. When market retests here, we take entry and go up. So this is our accumulation, manipulation and distribution. This AMD work. Because in left side we see bullish engulfing. Demand zone higher high SNR area, SND area. And really base, really demand zone with bullish engulfing. If left side this confirmation not available AM, D will be not worked and Joe will. And this method will be touch your stop loss. So we need confirmation left side first. Then our AMD method will be work. Thanks. Our team step by step. All methods understand you. And you can learn free lesson from our YouTube channel. Honey Forex. And you can join our VIP Gold Telegram signals. We have so many subscriptions with different type discounts, so you can join and contact us via Telegram. Thanks.
Hello my dear friends, how are you? From our team, account management service available now. Broker type any as you wish with fast execution. Leverage 500 plate farm mount 5. Profit sharing 50%. You can contact us via Telegram. Thanks.